in, and that means another week vlog for you guys. We are heading to work. It is 9:55. I needed to be there at 10, which is still time, but like
There is. You're right.
yeah. I will see you guys when I'm with Ali. Mwah. Hi guys, so we are in potatoes now, and we're 2 hours in, and we already broke down.
Hi.
So now we are chilling in the car.
Not even 2 hours, like an hour.
I know.
Because we started like an hour later. We haven't even been an hour!
So we're broken down, and
I'm eating my sandwich.
they said it was gonna be a few hours, so we're gonna eat.
We have hours.
So yeah, we're gonna continue with our lunch.
Feel it?
It's day 3. We are very dirty. Here we have Rachel and Addie, and there's Lila. I forgot to vlog yesterday because it was just so tiring and exhausting. But it is 8 o'clock. They said we were gonna be done at 5.
It's 8:11.
And they said we were gonna be done at 5. It's not 5. They told us 5. They said 6, 7. We finished one field, and we're hoping to open the other one, but we're also hoping we don't. So we want to go home. But yeah. Anyways, day 3, almost done. Hello. Today we are exploring the tunnels. There's Rachel and potatoes. I'll show you guys.
Freaking vlogging again.
Nicolene!
So we're heading to the top of the potatoes, and I will see you there. Okay, we are up here. You'll fall.
No, that way.
Yeah, you'll swim. Are y'all ready for this?
You just step on it and you sink in.
No.
Wait, we missed an airball right there. Right there.
So this is our pit that we're filling up, and that we have been for the past 3 days.
Yeah, and I got like severely sunburned right there.
I feel like I'm gonna fall right now.
Hey, this is.
We're gonna head down now because
Hold up! What? Just don't even go home. Just sleep on top of the potatoes.
I have an idea.
Terrible idea.
No. So we're gonna go down and we'll vlog our other crazy adventures. Oh, I guess I can't turn on my flashlight, so this is gonna be some bad quality. But we're going to the hay shed right there. Shine it at me real quick. Okay, so we're going to the hay shed, and we're gonna be great. Look at the hay shed. Woo! And now we're heading over there. Heck yeah! Ooh. Addie, don't go in there.
Addie, seriously, let's stay out. Why? Because I hear Jordan before.
Oh, Jordan. Get out of here, get out of here. Hi guys, welcome to day 4. We have Addie, and there's Rachel, and then there's Lila, and then Enzo's on the other side. Day 4. I think we're broken, but I'm not sure. Okay, so we've been broken down for about an hour, maybe 45 minutes. There's Addie, and there's Lila. And we're gonna start up pretty soon. Listening to some beats. Oh, and Enzo's also here. Of course.
There was potatoes.
I caught her. You would just run like that? Hey guys, we're back. Evelyn died, and that's why I'm doing this now. See, we're just lonely now. We just tried taking out the trash. Oh, and there's Evelyn. And hi vlog. So we broke down for like 2 hours. They kept me and Lila and Rachel and Addie there in the back. And we just took out the trash, but we spilled it everywhere, so we had to pick it up again. And I'll replace it. So I think we're gonna start again. And yeah. Addie, how do you feel about this break? Oh shit.
Oh, it's been quite lovely.
No, we missed dinner.
Oh, and only 4 people get dinner today.
That means we can have more extras.
Yes. Hopefully. Hi vlog. So we're on the conveyor belt right now. I know. Oh. Addie has decided to leave us for the shade, for the dark side.
I like the heat.
So we are in the sun.
I like the hot.
Now we're waiting for a truck to appear because there's no truck. So yeah. What's up everybody? Day who knows what, but it's Monday. Here's our beautiful A plus B. Y'all know. There's Rachel up there. And then everybody, Lila's on the other side.
The door isn't working.
There's Addie. The door's not working. We're broke down. Okay, so we got Silos today. I'll show you later, but yeah. Peace out. This is editor Evelyn right now. She forgot to show you guys the drinks. And she forgot to vlog today. We filled up the cellar and we might continue going to Mono Views. So I honestly don't know when this video is going out, but